Hey guys, it is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here to do a video on how to start a print-on-demand business, and we are going to be talking about Threadless today. So today I'm going to show you how to create a new user account, and then we are going to go ahead and upload maybe a t-shirt or go ahead and upload. I can't remember how Threadless works. I can't remember if you just upload one design and it goes on all of the products. I did do it one time before for my samples, which will be coming in, and I'll be doing an unboxing video on that as well. But let's go ahead and get into the video. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I drop a new bid. I publish on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this is the Threadless website, and here you see kind of like a pop-up. It says get 25% off your entire order. That supports the artist. The artist would be you because we are setting it up as an artist account. So right now I'm just going to say no thanks. But if you do just want to buy something from Threadless, before you set up your account, by all means, go ahead, put your email address in and get started. So at the top of the page, you see the Join Us button. Here it shows the best designs of 2020. That's probably something to look at to see kind of what sold the most. Also, here is like, it says 4 seasons total landscaping, just examples. Here is showing you things that you can discover. We see a lot of plant stuff, little funny things like that, floral. We have the artist of the day here. And then they just have some reviews. So that is basically an overview of the website. Of course, all important information at the bottom, the help center here to make it easier for you when you have questions that I don't have the answer for. Make sure you reach out to Threadless, contact them, send them an email, okay? So we're gonna go up to the top and hit Join Us. So this has, join Threadless. And then this one says, sell your art. So we want to sell our art. So the easiest way to sell your art online, you get an artist shop, which provides the best and easiest platform for you to sell your art in your own customized online store for free. So print on demand, this is print on demand where you can set up shop on a different website, on a business's website, and have your little storefront with all of your beautiful designs. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my email. I'm going to hit the get started button. Okay, so I want my URL to be dearmilitarySpouse.threadless. I want my, hopefully it's not too long. So, spo. No, so. Let's see if the military spouse is too long. Yep. Dear Mill Spouse. All right, let's do that. Gonna go ahead and put in a password, and then I'm gonna hit create my shop. All right, so we've done that part. All right, so just a little notes from whoever this is. Here is something looks quite interesting. It says you can offer free shipping to your customers when they order from your order shop for free. Orders over $45. So that's something kind of nice. You can share this code as soon as you open up a shop. Wow, that was amazing. So here, it says, oh, you can add your first product. You can customize your shop with even more collections. Your shop's title. Choose a layout, choose your fonts, add your first product, online chat. So let's start with choosing our shop layout. So I want to customize the shop first. So let's see, I upload a logo. Let me go over to Canva. It says 500 by 500. So let's resize this to 500 by 500. right, I'm gonna, dear military spouse, and this is for Threadless. Okay, gonna go ahead and download that as a PNG. Gonna leave the background as white. Gonna go back over here. Hopefully it's downloaded now. Gonna go over to downloads. Obviously it's not. Let's see. Should almost be done now. Let's do this again. Okay, it completed. All right, so let's go over back to Threadless, upload the logo. So the cover photo wants it to be 2000 by 400. Let's go back over to Canva. And let's do a black. Well, let's make these words white. So I'm gonna make these words white. And then I'm going to make the background black. And we're gonna resize it to 2000 by 400. All right, so this is like the banner, I believe, something like that. Spread this out some. There we go. I'm gonna hit download on that. And gonna upload the cover photo. Think I'm gonna do a top navigation. So right now, and I could probably use the same, this is the same, I guess, let's see, save it. We're gonna save that, and then we're gonna go to fonts. So you see what it looks like. Let's see where the fonts. Okay, so these are the fonts. Let's go with Adele. Let's see, Rooney. I like Rooney. So then we're gonna save the fonts. I'm gonna go to the colors. I think I'm gonna stick with this black theme, or you can set custom colors. So, but it's really no other color when I add, so I'm gonna save this. Okay. So now we can go to add a product. We got our store like customized a little bit, and the first product we're gonna do is the Dear Military Spouse logo shirt. So I'm going to, you know what, that's not gonna work. Gotta remember to change. Make sure I got the logo here. That one is 4167 by 5000 for the logo for Threadless. Oh my gosh, there's so many different websites. This doesn't make no sense. I always forget. So it does recommend 4200 by 4800. So this looks pretty good. So it asks, do you want a background color? If you do black, they have, let's see, it's like a nude color. So we'll choose that. This is not mature content. Let me see what the time length is on this. Only 9 minutes, so that's not bad. We should be able to finish all this in under 20 minutes. So now you can choose to add the apparel on all these different things. So it'll be here on all these products. And then if you want to select home stuff, it's there. Accessories, all of that. Add and cut. So these, I think these want different, like the add and cut shirts. I don't normally do those because of this design. I don't think it'll look amazing on socks or shoes or leggings or a duffel bag. So I'm just going to say I have the right, and I'm going to go ahead and create products. I'm going to go ahead and do this little security thing. And let's see what happens. So this is one of the easier websites to upload on because you kind of select and go. But I if I do remember, I go in, yeah, this is the time I go in and now and like fix anything, I believe. So it says product description, dear Millie spouse, logo, product metadata, dear military spouse, logo shirt, our logo, I'm just put logo. Don't have a charity, this wasn't a collaboration, dear military spouse. Oh, at tags. The military spouse, and I'm just gonna do army spouse or an army wife. So those are my tags. Remember, fill in your information with the research that you did for your products. I hit save ideas. So I'm gonna head back to my dashboard to check and see what things look like, right? So it says it's not live yet, but I can go here and I can edit anything that I need. So I think it's working. So here, now I can look. And I don't know why it does that. So I went back to edit. Or maybe my computer just didn't load the very first time. So you can add the different colors, white, heather gray. I'm just gonna do those two colors. And it basically shows. So it asks if I want to adjust the file, and that would probably mean, do I want to move it up or down? We're gonna make sure that it is in alignment, not up there, but in the middle. My bad, I hit the wrong one. Y'all, I feel like I'm so out of practice at this point. It's been a minute since I recorded a video. All right, there we go. Gonna apply the changes. So then you can go in, pick all your colors. And on any shirt you need to adjust the file, you can do that. Pretty easy. Let's look at home stuff. These are like the printed stuff, things like that. All of these look good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and publish the product and then I'm gonna view it. This is where you can see if anything isn't lined up, anything that does not look good. You can basically check that out. So we're gonna look at the Dear Military Spouse logo, the designs, see all of the different things. I thought, oh, I forgot you do this. So home, and art print, the blanket there. You see the blanket. You see the rug. There you go. Looks nice. What else did we do? Men. Let's see. And bath mat. And then the regular stuff is like the t-shirts and stuff like that. So t-shirt, heavyweight, tri-blend, heather gray. There's a shirt, $25. So, and then I could publish my shop now. I do not want to publish this shop. I am gonna unpublish that product. Now that's just showing you how you can go ahead and set up your first product, and it'll be on many different products. So if you want to check over here to the sales and marketing area, I'm really off my game, you guys. So here's like what the prices are and the base cost of everything. Here's marketplace pricing. I believe this is something where you can sell some of your designs, if I'm not mistaken. Here's where you're gonna do your earnings. You see what you sell, You're gonna see your orders here, and then your payment info. So all of that is under sales and marketing. Of course, you put your name in, your mailing address, phone number, and your PayPal email to get paid. They have coupons, promo tools, shop updates. Look like they have some challenges, I don't know. But here you can add products, do collections for your page. So if you had different collections, you could add and create a different collection. This is the home page. If you wanted to create one just for, say, Army spouses, and it just says Army related shirts, you can do that. You can create an image for it, a banner image for it, description, and create different collections. Also, you have an about page, so you can come in here and fill out that information with your store name, where you're from, tagline, more about you as an artist, if you have a personal website, and all of your social media here as well, to just make your store look so much better. So that is basically an overview of Threadless. So I was able to show you guys how to set up your account, how to go ahead and push, publish, and upload your first design. You go in and make sure the spacing is right. And this is basically like a layout, almost like Redbubble and TeePublic. So you shouldn't get too lost in here. I just haven't looked at the site in a while, but I always like to go in blind, as like I'm doing the same exact thing you're doing. I'm lost, but I'm showing you. So I don't like to be on the sites a lot. I want it to be a straight up newbie green experience, because I know you guys will feel all the confusion and have all the questions as I would, just like I was signing up for something new as well. So I hope this helps. They have some amazing products here, headwear, you know, neck gaiters, cuff beanies, baby stuff, all of that. So go ahead and sign up for Threadless. It is another shop. I am going to get my other shop situated so that I can report back to you guys with more information on how it's going. Am I making sales? So hopefully I'll have an update for you guys in the next couple of months on Threadless, and make sure you guys look out for that review, because I did order a few things from Threadless so I can put up in my office, and I cannot wait till it gets here to do an unboxing on those products. So until next time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.